So a backup, as I said, of your printed photos is when you digitize them, when you scan them. And it's not just your prints, but the slides, the negatives, movie film, sort of all of that, even the memorabilia. It will prolong the life of those images, and it makes it much easier for you to share them with other friends and family. Plus, you can make sure that you actually tell the story with them. And it's much easier once they're digitized to actually put them into a book or a slideshow and share them that way. So we do a lot of digitizing, scanning for our clients using high resolution photographic scanners. I typically tell people that it needs to be at least 600 dpi, because especially when you have a small photo and you want to enlarge it, you have to have the higher resolution in order to do that. If you have any questions about scanning, or you have things that you need scanned, put it in the comments below. Happy to talk to you about that, because let's get those photos saved and preserved for future generations so that you can tell your story.